Overnight on June 21st, a powerful derecho thunderstorm swept across North Dakota and western Minnesota, leaving behind destruction, casualties, and emergency declarations. Eastern parts of North Dakota were hit especially hard. Near the town of Enderlin, an EF-3 tornado destroyed a home and claimed the lives of 3 people. 2 more tornadoes tore through rural areas near Valley City, causing significant damage. Wind gusts in the area reached 111 miles per hour, a destructive force comparable to that of a tropical hurricane. The governor of North Dakota declared a state of emergency and activated emergency services. As the storm system moved east, the squall line slammed into Minnesota. Bemidji Airport, a wind gust of 106 miles per hour was recorded. The storm knocked down thousands of trees, blocked roads, downed power lines, and caused widespread power outages.
Oh, good.
Flash flooding left some streets underwater, damaging vehicles and
here in their
buildings.
yard. Miss Stacy Conley.
Local authorities also declared a state of emergency. In addition to destructive winds and tornadoes, the storm brought large hail, up to 3 inches in diameter, in Jamestown and parts of northwestern Minnesota.
Out in front of our street. My 2 little pine trees I planted, though, a couple.
On June 22nd, the storm system struck New York State. Early that morning, an EF-1 tornado carved a 2.4-mile-long path of destruction from the village
They're not going to have power for a while.
of Clark Mills to the town of Kirkland in Oneida County. 3 people were killed when trees fell on homes, including 6-year-old twin sisters. This was the 3rd confirmed tornado in New York State in June, a month that typically sees no more than 1.
There's another angle of my neighbor's house. We're not going to stick around because I can smell.
Heavy rainfall triggered flash flooding in central parts of the state, especially in Chenango County, where up to 5 inches of rain fell within a few hours.
Speedway gas station.
The National Weather Service declared a flash flood emergency and urged residents to seek higher ground immediately. Roads, bridges, and homes were flooded, and at least 10 people became trapped and needed rescue. Flooding was also reported in several neighboring counties, where fast-moving water caused serious damage to rural communities and farmland. Natural disasters are becoming more destructive, and traditional scientific models no longer explain what's happening. What is truly driving the climate chaos and geodynamic instability?
Center at 1111 Events Center Drive for those that have been
Answers can be found in Dr. Egan Chalakian's new video, Declaration That Will Shake Science. He explains why the number of disasters is rising sharply, from hurricanes and tornadoes to devastating floods, and reveals how these events are connected to deep processes inside the Earth and the breakdown of the planet's natural regulation systems. This video is an urgent message for those who understand that action must be taken now for the future of all humanity.